Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 10 to the power of n minus 8 to the power of n is equal to 36. We will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first I can divide both sides by 8 to the power of n, and we will get the output in the form of 10 to the power of n over 8 to the power of n minus 8 to the power of n over 8 to the power of n is equals to 36 over 8 to the power of n. After that, now we will make some little bit simplification of the terms, and here we can first apply a nice exponential law. And you know about this law, if we have a to the power of m over b to the power of m, it is equals to a over b to the whole power m. So now we use this nice exponential law in the first term of this equation, so that here we combine the n exponent on both of the terms, so that this will becomes in the form of 10 over 8 and its whole power n minus, here you see that these are two same terms, so these are gone, and here you get only 1 is equals to 36 over 8 to the power of n. And now you focus on both of the sides, and now first you can focus in the left hand side, and here you see that you have 10 over 8 to the power of n minus 1. And in the left hand side, now first I can little bit argument about the term 10 over 8 to the power of n, and here you see that 10 over 8 is greater than 1. This term is greater than 1. We can say that 10 over 8 to the power of n is greater than 1. So if this term is greater than 1, or it means that it is an increasing function. If this function is greater than 1, so it means that it is increasing function, and when you can subtract minus 1 from an increasing function, then this function will remains becomes an increasing function, so that we can say that our left hand side, our whole left hand side be the increasing function. And now you can focus on the right hand side, and in the right hand side first you can see that we have 8 to the power of n. So you know about this exponential function. Exponential function always gives the positive value, so that we can say that this value is always greater than 1. If 8 to the power of n is greater than 1, then we can say that it is increasing function. So here we just say that 8 to the power of n is increasing. This means that our this denominator is increasing function. If this denominator is increasing, and when we can divide a number by increasing function, then we say that 36 over 8 to the power of n is itself decreasing function, because here you have increasing function in the denominator. So this whole function will becomes decreasing, and now you focus on both of the sides, and you see that our left hand side be the increasing function and our right hand side be the decreasing function. And when I can draw visually the increasing and decreasing function, so the graph of increasing and decreasing function lies some in the form of, so this is the some kind of increasing function, and this is some kind of decreasing function, and here you see that increasing function and decreasing function are intersect only one point, this point. So this means that our this function is the left hand side, it is increasing function, and this is the right hand side and it is decreasing function, and these both functions are intersect at only one point, this point. This means that our given question 10 to the power of n minus 8 to the power of n is equals to 36 has only one solution, which is this one. I can write it here. We have question statement is 10 to the power of n minus 8 to the power of n is equals to 36. Here you can see that these two functions are intersect at single point. It means that our given question has only one solution, which is this point. And now we have time to find this point, is what is the value of this point, so that now by inspection I can check the values of n is what value of n satisfies this question. So that first I can put n is equals to 0, then I can put n is equals to 1. After that I can put or check at n is equals to 2. So now when you check n is equals to 0, now we can put here. So here you see that we have 10 to the power of 0 minus 8 to the power of 0 is equals to 36, and 10 to the power of 0 becomes 1, 8 to the power of 0 also becomes 1 is equals to 36, and 0 is equals to 36. It is not possible, so that we will reject it and we cannot choose n is equals to 0. Now we check at n is equals to 1. So when you can put here, you get 10 to the power of 1 minus 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 36, and 10 minus 8 becomes 2 is equals to 36, and it is not possible, so that we will reject this one also. Now we check n is equals to 2. So when we put here, you get 10 squared minus 8 squared is equals to 36, and 10 square is 100 minus 8 square is 64 is equals to 36, and it will becomes 36 is equals to 36. So this shows that n is equals to 2 be the solution of given question, and this point be the point of n is equals to 2. So n is equal to 2 be the only solution of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.